Well, the good news is the snow stopped. Got dumped on pretty good. And the bad news is there is no bad news when you have Grillzebo. Grillzebo saves the day again. Too bad this doesn't have smell-o-vision. That is actually one fillet. I cut it in half because it was so thick. Cooks a little bit faster, even though I'm not like doing a speed cook on it. But I am going to put the cow on. That should be enough for a couple of meals. Maybe 3 meals, actually. Going to be making a steak salad. Hope you enjoy your evening. If you're in California with some of my family and friends, well, not with them, but where some of my family and friends are at. Hope you're enjoying the weather. We're enjoying the weather out here, especially now that it has stopped. Should melt all by this weekend though. I'm supposed to get some warmer weather and some rain. Peace.